To start a run, first place the samples onto the highlighted location. 3 input types are supported by the AVENIO Edge System: Magna Pure 24 8-tube strips, high profile and low profile; Magna Pure 96 output plates; and AVENIO Edge process plates. The on-deck barcode reader scans the sample input barcode. If the instrument is connected to a host, the order information is directly retrieved and displayed. Otherwise, the instrument touchscreen allows the user to select the run protocol and define sample information required to proceed to the next step. Next, the system software instructs the user how to load the required reagents and consumables based on the protocol to be performed and the number of samples processed. The system accepts pre-packaged reagents in the form of reagent mini-racks, foil-sealed troughs, and cooled tube racks. Tips come in sizes of 50, 200, and 1,000 microliters. After loading is complete, the user closes the instrument door and clicks Load Check. The fully automated inventory check ensures correct loading of the resources before run can be initiated. For the temperature-sensitive reagents such as enzymes, master mixes, and panels, the instrument first transfers those reagents to a cooling station located next to the reagent reservoirs. If an error is detected, the software on the touchscreen displays the exact position where a correction is needed. Once the user makes the correction, a rescan is performed to double-check that everything needed is in place for the run. Once the touchscreen signals everything is okay, a run can be initiated. The system is equipped with an 8-channel pipetting arm. In addition, the system has a quantification module on board. Samples pipetted into the quantification plate are brought below the deck for quantification. The gripper finger exchange station switches between short and long gripper arms to rotate and transfer items below the deck. The AVENIO Edge System has a proprietary bead processing station. A magnet moves up and down along plate wells to capture beads at precise locations in order to maximize DNA capture. Supernatant containing contaminants is removed, and ethanol washes are performed. Finally, beads are collected to the side of the well by the magnet, while eluted DNA is transferred into a new plate. When the run is almost complete, the sample plate is moved to a position for safe storage, and the touchscreen prompts the user to initiate the final step. Once the run is complete, the touchscreen prompts the user to collect processed samples and unload and discard reagents, consumables, and waste. After finishing the run, the touchscreen displays a report including pass-fail info and concentration for each sample, which can be exported to downloadable formats or to the host.